Hello everybody, so here I got the C7 Corvette. So I happened to go to this kind of like introduction class to the wraps, and by no means does that make me knowledgeable, but I figure I'd try a roll and practice. So I'm thinking yellow or turquoise, because turquoise used to be a factory color for Corvettes. So the last color I saw it on, or we saw it on, was on the C4 Corvettes, and that's one color I wish they would bring back. So I got a deposit on a C8 C06, and if turquoise was an option, that's the color I would get. So really miss that color on the Corvettes, so I'm thinking of trying out a turquoise wrap, and I think it'll be really fun, good practice. So on that little training, I kind of got to do some fenders, bumpers, just get an idea of heat application. But what do you guys think about the color? Should I go with yellow, turquoise, a blue? So how about the Maserati? You guys think I should wrap this one? And if so, I'd like to get some opinions on what colors. I wouldn't wrap the carbon fiber, of course. This car, one of my favorite things that I really liked about it is the combination with the carbon fiber, with the black rims, with the color. Everything just seems to go really good. It's a great combination. So I'm not sure if I should even mess with this, but I think it'd be nice to change it up a little bit. But I'm not too sure what color of wrap I could do with this. So one of the great things about it is that no harm in trying it out. If it ends up looking like crap, then all I gotta do is just take it back off. But yeah, I think one of those things about wrap is something that takes practice, lots of practice. So, and at the same time, I got somewhat of a mechanical inclination since I used to work on cars, so I shouldn't have no problem removing my bumpers, some of the trim, just so I can tuck in the material real good. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think, what color I should go with the Corvette or the Maserati. And thanks for watching.